Prime Minister announcement is basically to announce that 8 years have gone for the GST, and we have a lot of experience. Collections have improved. I believe the data analysis which is being carried out, AI being used. On that basis, GST Council is seized of these issues. You will recall when this GST was introduced, it was introduced as one nation, one tax, and the idea was to bring at least if not more, but at least two rate structure. But considering the fact that it was a transition happening from VAT to GST, first time experience, so there was a possibility that the revenue collection may not be of that level which the government expects. So the government has gone with the four tax rates, 6, 12, 18, and then 28%. Now I believe after 8 year experience, the thought process is that we should try to reduce this number of tax rates. And what I see is there will be two tax rates. One is the standard rate, which will be worked out between, I believe, somewhere between 12 to 18, in between the rate will be worked out. And another will be merit rate, which is some day-to-day consumer goods which will need a concessional rate. Those are merit goods, daily consumption goods. And then there will be a third, is a special rate, which is a demerit good, which we call luxury item, etc. So this is a big reform so far the rate structure is concerned. And then there is a structural reform which are required over a period of experience. Now there are many industries where there are inverted duty. So on that part also the Prime Minister's, I believe, has said tax reforms will be made. So where it will be not a challenge where you have an inverted duty that your input tax rate is higher as compared to the output. So with the result that always you have a surplus and you are not in a position to get it back. And the third, I believe, the reform which is biggest is the procedural, and I say computerization, etc. Exporters have a issue that the refunds getting delayed and there is a human intervention, etc. I believe the way in income tax, the human intervention has been almost brought to negligible level because of the faceless assessment, online filing, etc. Though GST has the same issue, same structure, etc., but still there is a lot of human intervention by granting refund, input tax credit, denial of this. I believe this GST reform which the Prime Minister has announced as a Diwali gift will be a remarkable one. The way that government has taken a courage to introduce on 1st July 2017, I think the Diwali reforms will be another bold step which will be announced, I think, by after the decision of the GST Council.
Okay, so